Thank you so much for joining us at Wings India 2026. Can you please tell me how a air traffic controller works in reducing the congestion of traffic in airports?
Hi, I am Pallavi, Senior Manager ATC, working at Samshabad Airport. You see, daily we start our job, we are doing the shift jobs, and the time we go there, first we take the med briefing because med briefing is very much important. Means where is the cloud, what is the weather there, rain is there or not. Then we go for the controlling part. The first, whenever we sit on the channel, we take the briefing from the previous controller. What is the traffic there? What clearance he has given? Then we sit there and we start our controlling. Some separations are already mentioned in our manuals. We follow those separations. Whenever we are sitting in the radar, we are giving like 5 nautical mile separation between two aircraft. Then we are start our controlling.
And as a separation part, if we cannot see the aircraft, then we have to apply the much separation, means larger separation. But due to radar, we can reduce the separation and we can apply more aircraft in the same area. Means if for a procedural purpose, if we can apply separation for 5 aircrafts in that area for radar separation, we can apply for 10 aircrafts.
We would like to know your experience while doing these things.
Yeah. Whenever I have joined this department in 2011. The time I have joined, for us earlier, I was a tower controller. As a tower controller, I was doing the aerodrome control duty. Means in that, the ground controlling part I used to do. The aircraft we used to ask for startup, then taxi, pushback, then give. I used to give takeoff clearance, landing clearance. Then after that, I went for my tenure station to Gulbarga. In Gulbarga, the same thing was there, aerodrome controlling only. Then I here at Samshabad, I am doing radar controlling also. So in radar, whatever she explained, we can do. Earlier we had only procedural controlling. In procedural, we can't see the aircraft. Just in a room, there is no screen there. So whenever if we can't see anything, then we have to apply larger separation. But now we can see the aircraft, so we can reduce the separation between the two aircraft. Like I told that now we can apply the 5 nautical mile separation between two aircraft at the same level. Earlier, if we are not seeing the aircraft, we have to apply 10 nautical mile separation. Now it is reduced to 5 nautical mile laterally at the same level. So as my experience counts, I really enjoy my job. Means I can't think that I can do anything else. Means I really like this job. I suggest the new people also that if you can come here, that like our job, we can't afford to make a single mistake also. 1% mistake also we can't make. So that much concentration is required. But I like my job. I really enjoy it.
So if there is some emergency landing, how do you take all your steps or precautions while doing?
See, yeah.
Actually, we have the SOPs for all the contingency procedure. We have to follow that step by step, and we have to inform our seniors also every second of the what is going on regarding that emergency. And we have to record the time also, at what time we informed which senior, and
See,
follow the full SOP also.
We inform the fire officials, like if any aircraft we have got the, like that aircraft is coming with engine on fire, so we have to inform the fire officials. Like engine on fire is a big type of incident, so city fire also we are informing. First we are informing our airport fire services also, city fire services, police officials, then other officials also. For like another, if a hijack is happening, so for hijack another level of meeting is being conducted, aerodrome control meeting is there, ACM, फिर POSHA meeting is there, that happens at the CHQ level, Delhi. So different SOPs and contingency plans are there. Depending upon what type of emergency is coming, we inform those bodies.
How do you think the ATC system like reduces the manual workload?
Manual workload, yes, due to this radar system and many automation system, now workload has been reduced. Previously we made the strips from the hands, like arrival is coming at this time, is at this place, we have to write down all the things. Now electronics flight progress strip is coming, then we get the strips electronically with all the information on that strip. So we have to just write the bay number, arrival time, and passengers on board, QNH and time, that's all.
See, this VCCS panel is there. Earlier we had that landline.
Landlines.
So many landlines used to be there, phones used to be there. We had to dial the numbers. But in this, Only we have to pick the phone, click the number, means click the
Already saved.
already
Number
saved
of
saved
all the
there,
additional
and we can talk to them. So that load is also reduced because of this VCCS panel.
You are watching Aviation Today.